So I've had the car now for about 4 days, and it's just amazing, absolutely gorgeous. Love the car, couldn't be happier. You know, when I ordered it, it was like, that's rad, I want that. I love being able to open up my Tesla app and make sure that the car is cool when I get to it, no matter how far away I am from the car, and adjust the thermostat that way. I love being able to be in a huge parking lot, not know where my car is, and no matter how far away I am from it, just hit the horn button and it honks the horn. I love that the door handles auto-present themselves when I walk up to the car, and then close themselves when I get in the car. That's amazing. I love the little key fob. I mean, it looks like a little mini version of the Model S. And then if you want to open the trunk, you hit the trunk of the key fob. Also, as a kind of a music geek, just to be able to adjust the EQ the way we like to adjust EQs, and then the fader to be able to drag around the car and find the perfect spot to adjust the speakers, that kind of stuff to me is just amazing. But I want to focus on why I got it. I really did get this because I think it's the greatest drum car ever built. It's crazy. It's for like 55 cubic feet of storage space. In the back, I can fit a 22-inch bass drum, full hardware case, 16-inch floor tom, and 14-inch floor tom. And then in the front, or the front trunk, I fit my snare drum, 10-inch tom, 12-inch tom, and cymbal bag, all underneath the hood because there's no engine. You know, you get all the cool perks, electric car, never have to buy gas again, just plug it in. But so far, 4 days deep, I love the Model S, and I think it's the greatest drum car ever built. Okay, so wife holding the camera. I wish you the best.
Thank you.
And first time going to 60 in an electric car. Oh my god. Okay, we're at 70.
Oh my god, that was
did not just
awesome!
happen.
I felt like I was on a roller coaster.